progress. I mean, everything in bhakti or devotion is not linear. Linear means going in a line, Step 1, you go 5 feet forward, then step 2, then 5 feet forward, step 3. The progress is, it goes, you're going in a circle, and you're going back, and then another circle and back. The progress is a change of consciousness. It's a change of consciousness, a change of heart, a change of outlook. These are all very subtle things. We say purification of consciousness, Cheto Darpana Marjanam, Chit Darpana Marjanam. So that consciousness is formless. It's chit, it's formless. This body, this room, this house, this street, it all has form, length and width and depth. But spiritual progress is amorphous. We have some idea. These are words and terms to give us some idea about increments or changes in consciousness. It's not linear. Okay, utsamai, initial enthusiasm, and then it wanes. It's considered that this is a symptom of nishtita bhakti if it wanes, if it diminishes, decreases.